And here we are at the fourth and final video in our series on how AvePoint partners can grow their business.
And I'm really excited to get into today's topic because this is relatively new stuff for AvePoint. Well, for the world, really. People are familiar with security, with backup and restore, and with migration solutions, but multi tenant and multi cloud management are still relatively new ideas.
Yeah, and it's more than that, really. It includes governance, automation, and proactive management. And yes, all of that in a multi-tenant, multi-cloud world. So unless you are a Microsoft 365 admin, you're probably not aware that there are 9 different locations for tenant-wide security settings, plus the various settings within each individual workload, like in SharePoint sites and Teams. Collaboration can be incredibly complex. You have all these great applications and workloads, but they are all separate and natively they are managed differently. But with AvePoint, we have already done the work to automate many of these tasks, allowing you to reduce that time, the time you spend administering those sites, those environments, by 70% per tenant.
And that's an incredible time savings. As an MSP or service provider, you don't just have one tenant, you have many, many tenants. Hopefully, if you're going to fund some kids' college funds, you're managing hundreds of people and thousands of organizations in some cases. And for many of those clients, you need to make sure that you're thinking about the long term and the consequences of poor time management. The technology you use is going to significantly reduce that time and it's going to be extremely important.
Yeah, exactly. And AvePoint, of course, offers cloud management to help our partners better manage their customer environments.
This is a newer product, so even some of our existing partners may not be familiar with it. What is the scope of cloud management and what is the opportunity for partners?
Cloud management includes 3 areas of capabilities. So, first, there is centralized administration of bulk configurations. So, moving you from that tenant by tenant controls into a truly multi tenant mode. Second, you have comprehensive search capabilities that'll help you to complete tasks quickly and easily. So it allows you to find out very quickly like who has access to what sort of permissions does an individual user have and what do they need to have. And then you have automation, which includes cloning, permissions, granular delegation. So you need to be able to say, okay, I want to take all the permissions from this site and clone it to the next site. Or take a look at this person who's leaving the organization. I want to clone those responsibilities to the next person. So those things, those kinds of tasks, they're really critical if you want to scale. We don't think about the time and cost of each of these tasks individually. Like when we have a request to come in, when we're an admin of a single environment, we just go in and we make that change. We go to that admin environment, make that edit. But these kinds of small but frequent change requests can end up being really time consuming. It's when you add it up over so many tenants and so many users, you'll find that you're spending so much of your time doing things in a way that really isn't profitable for you and for your business.
And once again, I can see where AppPoint partners have a tremendous business opportunity in front of them. This really speaks to the ongoing needs for change management with customers and how AppPoint's cloud management can centralize operations and dramatically reduce the cost of those services. Lots of features plus reduced costs equal more profitability. I like it. And it can help your services become stickier and give you more predictability with your business.
And as we say in every episode, Sam, it all begins with signing up as an AvePoint partner and then working with your partner manager to build out your success plan. So be sure to sign up for the AvePoint Partner Program by going to avepoint.com/partners.